Control multiple moving objects in AI videos with Runway ML's new tool. iVideo creation just got even more creative. Runway ML launched a powerful new feature called Multi-Motion Brush for its AI video generator. This builds on their existing motion brush that lets you make parts of a still image move. Now you can select and control up to 5 different objects or areas independently. For example, make a person walk while a dog runs and clouds drift, all within the same generated video clip. The extra motion control takes AI video editing to the next level. You're no longer limited to a single moving element. Unleash multiple animated subjects to bring your images to life. Runway also boosted their Gen 2 video models' resolution and quality, so the results look even more realistic and detailed. As AI video generation keeps advancing, new features like this multi-motion brush give creators more power to fine-tune animations. The future of AI video and filmmaking is looking bright and dynamic. We can't wait to see the unique short films and animations people will produce with these futuristic tools. What will you animate with Runway ML's multiple motion brush powers? Share your video ideas below.